making a cake for Mom. It's M for Mom over there. We love Mom, and because she didn't feel better, we wanted to make a cake for her. And I'm spinning the cake for Mom.
You're spinning the cake like Buddy does, right?
Yes.
Right.
And I love cakes, so we decided to make a cake for Mom. And we love Mommy so much. And Daddy helped us too. And he was so nice, but he was stubborn because he didn't want to make it. Because he did not, but yesterday he did. But now he did not. He was cranky.
But he did good.
Yeah, but he did good, yeah.
But he helped now.
He helped now. Because...
What would Buddy do now?